Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you have error with your air conditioner in your Mercedes. So first thing you need to check its sensor of conditioner of freon. So just check if cable is okay in its if connection have no interrupt, have no error. So just check if your cable is okay. So just because I have problem with this and my conditioner doesn't work besides this error. So just check this cable if it's okay, and I hope that I help you and you will enjoy your working with your air conditioner. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.